Hello riders, welcome back. This is Aravind from Bicyclekart. In this video, I will teach you how to install and remove quick release correctly. Some bikes come with handy quick release option. Using the quick release lever incorrectly can be very dangerous as it holds the wheel in place. After watching this video, you will be able to install and remove quick release perfectly.
To remove a quick release front wheel, first you have to flip the quick release lever downward, away from the forks, and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. You can see the tire slide out of the dropouts after it has been sufficiently loosened. Now let's reinstall it. Ensure that the disc and axle are aligned when installing the wheel back into the dropouts and the caliper. As soon as the tire is stuck in the dropouts, you have to retighten it by turning the lever clockwise. After that, flip up the quick release toward the forks. Now to remove a quick release back wheel. First, flip the quick release lever back. You can loosen the quick release on the opposite side of the wheel by turning it counterclockwise. Ensure you move the chain around the cogs and axle so that you don't damage them. Before reinstalling, just ensure the dropouts are not damaged. Now you can slide back the axle, making sure that the chain goes around the cog. You have to hand tight once again and flip forward towards the front of the bicycle on the lever. So, that's it.
I hope the pro tip on using bike quick release clamps were helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. To stay updated on all bike related things, follow us on our social media. Until we meet in the next video, this is me, Aravind from Bicyclekart signing off.